friends, my name is Ankita. Today's topic is conditional statement. What is conditional statement? Human language use sentence, whereas programming language make use of statement. A programming statement is the smallest independent unit in a program, just like a sentence in the English language. It perform a piece of programming action. Control statement divided into three parts. First one is selection statement, iteration statement, and third one is jump statement. Again, selection statement divided into three parts, that is if else, and switch. Iteration statement divided into three parts, while, do while, and for loop. Jump statement divided into three parts, break, continue, and return. Now we will see the if statement. If statement is the simplest decision statement. It is used to control the flow of the execution of statement. Syntax is if statement. If in parenthesis condition, curly braces open, statement in statement, semicolon, and curly braces close. This is a syntax of if statement. If else, it is a basically extension of it statement. The if else statement does one thing if a condition is true and different thing if it is false. Syntax of if else, if boolean expression in parenthesis, in parenthesis boolean expression in curly braces open, if code semicolon, curly braces closed, else, curly braces open, else code, semicolon, curly braces closed, rest of code, semicolon. This is a syntax of if else. Switch statement. Sometime it become number, some to write to lengthy program using if and if else statement. To avoid this, we can use switch statement in Java. Switch is the multi-way selection statement. It tests the value of the variable against the list of case value, and when match is found, a block of statement associated with that case are executed. This is a switch statement. This is an explanation of the conditional statement. Thank you.